Yo, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something for my Integra. I went to 1320 Performance in Elk Grove and I picked up the 1320 Toda V2 headers for my car, and also I got the test pipe, and that was like 50 bucks extra. But here it is. I didn't even take it out of the wrapping yet. So this is the test pipe. And these are the pipes that connect to the headers. So this two, and this. Damn. I think this is a 4-2-1 header. But yeah, it came with some hardware, some new gaskets, and they give us a sticker. But yeah, for tonight, I'm just gonna be connecting the pipes to the header. I'm not gonna be installing it into the car right now because it's pretty late. It's like 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna be installing it, and Naren's gonna be helping me, but he's playing game right now. And so yeah, I'll see you guys when I start actually putting it together. So I'm starting to put the pipes on to the 4 header thing, whatever you want to call it. So it's pretty straightforward. You just want to connect the 2 pipes, whatever, into these, and then these little hooks, you're gonna have to use these things to like hold it together. And then after you put these 2, it's gonna be something like that. Then you're gonna have to get your other part, your last part, and then connect these into the 2 like this. It's pretty straightforward, you know, simple stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right now, connect everything together, and then yeah, I'll show you guys my progress, just to check up on you guys if you guys need any extra help. But I'm looking at the pictures of the header just to give me an idea of how it's supposed to look like. So yeah, I'll catch up on you guys whenever I get this part done, and then I put these on. Okay, so I got the spring thingies on and everything's connected. Then next we gotta just do this and do the same, but I used this thingy to help punch, yeah, like push it down on one end and then hook it up to the other. But yeah, I'm gonna do this now and I'll show you guys when we're done. So Naren got the pipe where it's supposed to connect to your test pipe or stock cat. He's gonna be putting on the whatever these things are called, the spring thing. But since I'm using my stock cross member, I'm gonna have to shave that freaking thing down. So, but if you have a traction bar, then you won't have any issues with clearance for this type of header. There you go. It's all in now. It's all done now. Then after that, we're gonna have to connect it to the car, and take the cat out and put the test pipe on. But that's for tomorrow. So we're done for tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna continue this video, and we're gonna finish up installing the header tomorrow. Yo, what up guys, the next day, and we got the car on jack stands, and I sprayed down the bolts that we need to take out with a PB blaster like an hour ago or 30 minutes. And it's been sitting for a little while now. I let the exhaust cool down and the headers right now. So this is how it looks like right now. To be honest, I don't even know if there's gonna be enough clearance because these hoses for my new headers, but I hope there isn't. But I know that we're gonna have to like hammer in the cross member a little bit, or grind it down, because it doesn't really fit with the OEM cross member. But if you have a traction bar, then you're good to go. So I'm gonna be replacing the headers, of course, and the cat with the test pipe. So I'm waiting on Naren right now, and I will continue recording when Naren comes out and starts helping me. Alright, so Naren's starting to loosen up the bolts now. These are 12 bolts, so he's gonna try to loosen all of them now. And then we're gonna have to disconnect all the way down right before the cat. Then we can take it out. It should be straightforward because it's just all bolt-ons. Same way you take it out, same way you put it back in. And there's a freaking bee. Oh, damn, I just left.
Shit, it's hella easy.
Oh, that's good.
I have to put more force into it, but yeah, it's just pretty easy to take out.
Yeah.
Just loosening it right now, so then we could just take it out with the electric one.
Yeah. But before you guys put on the header, make sure you use the new gasket that it came with, because you don't want to reuse the old one, because it could cause potential leaks, and it could like break and all that crap.
And then take out your dipstick, you fucking dipshit.
Shut the hell up. Almost done loosening it up, and then we're gonna use the electric thingy, whatever, I forgot what it's called, to take out all the bolts so it's faster. So we got all the bolts off the header, and then now we're gonna loosen and take off all the bolts from the downpipe. No, not the downpipe. This thing, whatever, that's connected to the header. And then, so there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 bolts that you need to take off over here. And then there's 3 to take off the cat. But I'll show you guys once when it's all disconnected. So we got all the bolts from the header disconnected already, and also the pipe that's connected to the cat. And all we need to do now is take out the O2 sensor right there, and then we could take out the header. Then we could put in the new 1320 header. Alright, so we're getting the cat out. Loosening up the last bolt took forever because we had to use some leverage with the poles from the jack. There we go. Finally, oh my god. Now we can take out the header. Alright. Let's compare the size with the test pipe. This way. Oh, I think it's perfect. Perfect size.
So just grab it from right here. Oh, you gotta unbolt it from the bottom, right?
Oh yeah.
It's still stuck on the bolts. So just try to pull it off.
Alright. That's that.
We gotta pull it from the top. Okay.
Yeah. Finally, we could pull out the header. Took us a little while. So there's another 3 bolts actually connecting that pipe to the header. It's down there now. Then we could take it out easier instead of just pulling it as one. Alright, I just finished putting some blue Loctite on these O2 sensor holes and the screw thing or whatever for it. I put it on the threads. Cause that's what the guy said. Oh,
now I just got this piece of shit out.
Finally. Took forever because the weird angles. But now we can finally install the header. But yeah, I gotta finish putting the blue Loctite on, but I'm saving this for if I which hole I need to put the O2 sensor in, then whatever hole I don't use, I have to put the blue Loctite on, and then connect everything back. But for now, we're gonna focus on taking out the header, and then I'm gonna put this bad boy on. But of course, first we're gonna have to put in the new gasket. But I'll show you guys whenever we can put the new 1320 header in. But he almost got this header out.
Shimmy it out. This shit's so fucking heavy. Still.
I know, it's more heavier compared to that one. So I gotta freaking record on my phone now. My camera batteries are dying. Even though it said it was full, like, and I barely started using it. But Naren got part of the header on, and then gotta connect those pipes. And then, but before that, we still have to mess with the cross member. But now we just gotta tighten all the bolts to the header. So we had to take out the OEM tow hood, and then we hammered in the cross member a little bit, and then now it fits. So we gotta connect the other pipe now and put the spring thingies on. So we're almost finished. Well, we're getting close to finish. We're like 50%. We're 50% done. Oh my lord!
It's in there. It's in there like swimwear. Shit gonna be kind of tough. Watch.
Yeah. Yo, what up, guys? It's the next day after we tried installing the test pipe, but the gasket that they gave us was too big, but they said it was the right size. But then they gave us a new one, and it fits better than the old one. Like, see, it fits way better. But before, it was hella big, and it was just like, it wouldn't even go in. And every time we try to bolt it up, the bolts wouldn't go through like all the way. Like, it wouldn't catch enough thread of the screw so we could bolt it up. Yeah, that's what I meant. But now we're gonna try it out, and hopefully we could get it in and finish. Okay, finally we got part of the test pipe in, and then now we could connect the middle part, but we're gonna have to extend it all the way. So Naren almost got the test pipe fully on. Then after that we could put on the test pipe gasket, and then bolt everything.
Alright.
And everything will be all good.
Go get the gasket.
So now Naren is tightening up everything. Gotta tighten up those 3 bolts and those 2 bolts, and then zip tie that O2 sensor thingy, because I freaking forgot to get the extender thing. But for now we're gonna zip tie it to somewhere so I won't touch the exhaust and melt it. Then once I get the extended O2 sensor wire thing or whatever, then I'll be finished. But I can't wait until everything is all done. And then we gotta clean up, and then start up this goddamn car, take it for a drive or something. So we got everything all connected, but you see those the extenders where you could extend the test pipe? We're gonna need to go get that welded, because maybe it could pop off if we smash too hard. But we're all ready now. I'm gonna go get my keys so we can start this car. So I got the 1320 headers plus the test pipe, and it fits with the stock cross member. We just had to hammer it in a little bit, but we're gonna make sure all these bolts are tightened up, and then we can finally start the car. Alright, I'm gonna start it up now. First start with the new header and test pipe. Oh shoot, the battery.
Ah! Fail. Forgot to fucking put the battery in. Well, try it now.
Okay.
I think we need to tighten it up. It was hella loose. Or did the battery die? ice cream truck. Yeah, I can smell it, man. Woo, smelling like an ice cream truck.
That's when you know it's fresh. It's like burning.
Ah, it's all that oil, hand oil. All our hand oil burning.
But fresh headers and fresh test pipe. They got louder, huh?
Yeah.
Let everything settle in first, and then I'm gonna give it some revs. But it got definitely louder, and also I could smell the fumes coming out. Now I don't want to get freaking carbon monoxide poisoning. Let's let everything let the idle settle down because it hasn't been started in a couple days. But we took out the OEM tow hook and dented in the cross member, then you could fit in this 1320 Toda V2 header and it'll all fit. Yeah, it just changed colors. It already changed colors. It turned more of a bronze, little bronze. They said this header is worth it for the money, but we'll see when we start driving it and stuff. Give it some more miles, let it settle in more, and then everything will be all good. But I'm keeping my stock, everything, because you know, just in case. I think it's all warmed up. Well, let's just give it some more time, just to be sure. Alright y'all, first rev with the 1320 header. Gonna do it right now.
First impression.
That's hella loud, man. The car got hella loud. I feel like I need to put on the stock muffler back. That thing is hecka loud. I sound like a racer now. But yeah, 1320 headers. First impression is definitely louder, of course. Also, it rev up way faster. Throttle response is better. But next is an intake. That's my plan. Just a basic bolt-ons for now. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe to my channel to reach 200 subscribers is my next goal. And also, I recommend you guys to get this header if you guys are looking into what header you guys want for your G-Series. Also, I know I'm a little late on my upload schedule because school started and I've been real busy with school and all that. So bear with me, my upload schedule will be a little slow now. And also I need to get a hard drive because the computer storage is full. But yeah, leave a like guys and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.
Ready, set, go!